all, the title of our project is Water Hyacinth, the Modern Age Kalpavriksha. We are Ayati and Arushi from Udayachal High School, studying in grade 9. Our guide is Deepty teacher and our topic is Science in Daily Life. Water hyacinth is an invasive pest plant that grows on the surface of water bodies, thus blocking sunlight and oxygen from reaching the marine life. This affects jobs like fisheries, water transport, etc., thus affecting the income and economy of that region. Water hyacinth's uncontrollable growth also affects water supply. Our Kalpavriksha method makes economic and eco-friendly uses of water hyacinth in the following manner. 1. Home compostable bioplastic. 2. Home compostable paper. 3. Organic fertilizer. And 4. Biosorbent. Products and procedure. First, home compostable bioplastic. As shown in the table, we made 4 bioplastics. Only cornstarch, only sago starch, cornstarch and water hyacinth, sago starch and water hyacinth. This was done so that we could compare the only starch bioplastics with the starch and water hyacinth bioplastic. Water hyacinth is a rich source of cellulose. It acts as the reinforcing agent and hence makes the bioplastic stronger. While washing sabudana, the whitish layer in the water is actually starch. We obtained our sago starch from this water which is thrown away. Therefore, our sago starch and water hyacinth bioplastic has been totally made from waste. Procedure: water hyacinth was collected from the Powai lake and the decant was prepared. The ingredients were mixed and heated till it thickened. We spread this mixture on a plate and let it dry. We peeled it off once it dried. Second, home compostable paper. Our Kalpavriksha method uses all waste effectively. Therefore, while preparing the decant, waste pulp of water hyacinth was generated. We used this waste pulp to make our paper. Procedure: third, organic fertilizer. Since our bioplastic and paper both are home compostable, once they decompose, they will act as fertilizers. Fourth, biosorbent. Water hyacinth powder. Water hyacinth was dried and ground into powder. This powder was added to samples containing heavy metals. Test results and analysis. Test 1, tensile strength. As seen in the graph, bars 2 and 4, which have water hyacinth, show greater tensile strength than bars 1 and 3 respectively. Hence, water hyacinth increases tensile strength. Test 2, elasticity. As seen in the graph, bars 2 and 4, which have water hyacinth, show greater elasticity than bars 1 and 3 respectively. Hence, water hyacinth increases elasticity. Test 3, solubility. If bioplastics degrade, dissolve, or get deformed in very less time, then they are not durable. They are not effective alternatives for plastic because they cannot resist daily wear and tear. Hence, we conducted the solubility test. The results state that our bioplastics show greater durability as they have not dissolved or disintegrated even after 4 weeks. Hence, water hyacinth increases durability. Test 4, heavy metals. As seen in the graph, as the amount of water hyacinth increases, the presence of heavy metal decreases. Hence, water hyacinth effectively decreases heavy metal content and hence it is a good biosorbent. Summary: in our country, the problem is more with the disposal of plastic than the use of plastic itself. Hence, our project also addresses waste disposal issues. Since our bioplastic and paper both are home compostable, therefore, once they decompose, they will act as fertilizers. This minimizes the need for municipal authorities' involvement because it can be easily disposed of at the home or society level. Once the shelf life of our bioplastic and paper are over, they will not add to the waste in landfills. This in turn will reduce the load on primary plastics and landfills. Our no waste Kalpavriksha method uses every product, byproduct and waste generated in an eco-friendly manner. Hence, no waste has been generated and all wastes have been used effectively. Most importantly, our project makes water hyacinth a source of livelihood and employment. It is a sustainable and eco-friendly way to fight waste with waste. Our project converts water hyacinth from a pest to a tool for income and economic growth. Conclusion: our home compostable bioplastic, home compostable paper, organic fertilizer, and biosorbent can effectively tackle plastic pollution, deforestation, global warming, heavy metal contamination, burden on landfills, economic and income issues while simultaneously dealing with water hyacinth infestation issues. By tackling the water hyacinth issue locally, we can make an impact globally. Thank you.